In this video, we are going to learn how to use Bitquery Algorand Transactions API. All the API links will be in the description along with Bitquery Telegram channel link. You will need to sign up on id.bitquery.io as a developer and you will get 10,000 free points to run and test the APIs. We're going to see three APIs around Algorand transactions in this tutorial. First one will be API to get all transactions on Algorand for a specific time frame. Second one will be API to get daily count of transactions on Algorand. Third one will be API to get daily unique transaction senders on Algorand. So let's start with the first API, which is get all the transactions in a specific time frame. Select Algorand here, then select network as Algorand, and then select transactions. Under transactions, these differently colored attributes are basically the filters here, and under these options you can select the order in which you want to show the result. So I'm selecting this as in descending order and block height, and I'm doing the limit as 10. So this is the limit of the responses, and I'm also selecting the date range using since and till. So I've selected my filters, and now I'm going to select the attributes that I need info about. I'm going to select block height and timestamp. Then select currency details. Under that, address, decimals, name, symbol. Select whatever you want. Then select fee, then first round, Genesis hash, Genesis ID, group, hash, like whatever the things that you need and you find here, just select that. Last round, note, pool error, sender, under sender address and annotation, type, and subtype. Let's run this query. Now you can see the transactions happened between these two dates, including both of these dates. Now moving on to the second API, we are getting daily transaction count on Algorand for last 10 days. Select Algorand, then network is Algorand, and then select transactions. And in options here, we'll need to select descending as per our date attribute. And I'm going to limit the responses by 10. So it will cover last 10 days. And then I'll just put the count here. I need to group it by date. So I'll select here date and under that date. Now it will work just fine. Now let's run the query and we'll get the transaction count for last 10 days. You can see the query worked successfully. Moving on to the third API, we're going to get daily unique senders for transactions on Algorand. So select Algorand here and then under Algorand, select network as Algorand and then select transactions. And under transactions, select the date. We'll select only one date right now. So this is the date I have selected. And now let's do the count of unique senders here. Let's run this query. Oh, I need to change this date here. Now I've corrected it. Let's run this query. Okay, it's giving us the count of unique senders on this particular date on Algorand network. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe, and head over to our Telegram channel if you have any questions. I will see you next time.